Okay guys, so this is how it looks. I don't know why I look like I'm 500 pounds. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but this is how it looks. My hair. I don't know about my hair. Everything looks weird here. Why does it look so weird? I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm getting... It's very flattering. At any rate, it better not be, and that better not be one of those MLMs. I'm making a video right now. Okay, so I really like my outfit. However, when I was trying to take pictures, I felt like I couldn't get the right angle because it just feels like it's makes me look bigger, but in real life I look good, right? I look darn good.
It's this thing.
Yeah, and I love it. And I am going to continue to rock this dress, but I didn't take a lot of pictures because of that. But maybe I'll look better at the party. Hopefully it's not an MLM. Oh.
I'll introduce you to the owners and save you a seat.
Yeah. So, it was an MLM. So we're home. Look at my cute little outfit dress. Oh, it was an MLM. We just don't want to deal with that. RJ's already spent too much money on it. I just didn't want to deal with it. So that's why, look at my hair. I'm acting like a weirdo. So we're home. Okay, because we got Maggie and the Dakota to talk to. So we're home, back in my robe, wearing my makeup. That's a nice little angle. My hair is looking weird. I don't know. My hair is driving me crazy. I don't know. It's just not cooperating. Somebody needs to explain this to me. Why is it I baked, you saw me, I baked for several minutes and I still get a little bit of, well, it's not too bad, but in a little bit of time it would start to get oily. I don't know, baking doesn't work for me. I try everything. I got the primer, I did all that, the oil free, yada yada yada. It still doesn't do a darn thing. But anyway, I'm kind of okay with my makeup. It was just like, I don't know about you guys, but like sometimes I feel like I look better in real life than on camera, you know? At least I have a go-to outfit.